Welcome to Think Global Education Services. Today, we shall discuss about solving problems in collisions. So, let us assume that we have a trolley of mass. Let us say this is a trolley. It has a mass. Assume that this mass is equal to 0.80 kilograms. Now, it is traveling at a velocity v, which is equal to 3 meters per second. And it collides heads-on with a stationary trolley B. Now, this is a trolley A. It collides with the trolley B. And the trolley B has twice the mass of trolley A. So, the mass of trolley B is twice the mass of trolley A, which is 1.6 kilograms. And as we know that the trolley B is at rest. So what happens after collision? So this is the condition before collision. And as we discussed in the previous videos, that when two objects collide, when one of the objects is stationary, the objects will stick together and move. So after collision, trolley A sticks with trolley B and it is going to move. Now, the combined mass of the trolleys, MA plus MB, is equal to 1.6 plus 0.8. This is the combined mass of the trolleys. Now, they both have a common velocity, which is 1.0 meters per second. Now here, we want to show that the momentum is conserved. So what we need to do is that we need to calculate the momentum before collision. So we can put, if you see here, before collision. So momentum of trolley A, we can write it as PA, momentum of trolley B, which is plus PB, which is equal to mass of trolley A, which is 0.8, multiplied by velocity of trolley A, which is 3, plus mass of trolley B, which is 1.6, plus velocity of trolley B, multiplied by velocity of trolley B, which is a stationary trolley, so its velocity must be 0. So what we have here? So the answer is 2.4 kilogram meter per second. Now we can calculate momentum after collision. So here we can write after collision. After collision, momentum of trolley AB, because they stick together, which is equal to mass of trolley A plus mass of trolley B multiplied by their combined velocity after collision. So which is equal to mass of trolley A plus mass of trolley B is 2.4 kilograms multiplied by their velocity, which is 1 meter per second. So which is equal to 2.4 kilogram meter per second. And as we can see, PA plus PB, that is momentum of A plus momentum of B is equal to momentum of AB. That is before collision, momentum before collision equal to momentum after collision. Thus the momentum is conserved. So we can look at some other problems based upon